AI agents in 2025 real-world applications of adaptive technology. Are AI agents quietly reshaping how our world works, and most people haven't even noticed? In this video, we'll uncover the real-world tasks that AI agents are now handling without human supervision. From self-driving logistics to autonomous research assistants, you'll see how adaptive agents are replacing traditional software. And by the end, you'll know why these agents might soon be managing your schedule, your emails, and maybe your job. What is an AI agent? So what exactly makes something an AI agent? Unlike a static chatbot, an AI agent can observe, plan, and act on goals in real time. It doesn't just answer questions, it makes decisions. These agents can access tools, adapt to feedback, and complete multi-step tasks. They operate across time, handling unpredictable changes and learning from them. Think of them as AI interns that never sleep and don't need instructions every 5 minutes. A great example, you may ask? AutoGPT. It doesn't just generate responses. It sets goals, breaks them into tasks, and executes autonomously. It can research, write reports, analyze data, and even iterate on its own results. Agents in business automation. So how are businesses already using AI agents? In 2025, adaptive agents are now automating back-end workflows across finance, sales, and HR. They log into dashboards, parse PDFs, summarize meeting transcripts, and send customized reports. No more task switching or chasing updates. The agent handles it all. Take the company Cognisys. They've deployed AI agents that monitor real-time sales data, adjust pricing strategies, and notify human teams only when needed. These agents are trained to act, not just respond. Another example is Tactics AI Scheduler. It reads your email, finds open calendar slots, and proposes meeting times. No human needed. By using real-time data and adaptive logic, it mimics an executive assistant. Education and research agents. What happens when AI agents enter the classroom or research lab? In education, AI agents now serve as personal tutors that adapt to each student's pace and learning gaps. They provide feedback in real time, generate practice questions, and even summarize textbook chapters. Sal Khan's work with Khanmigo is a perfect example. This teaching assistant doesn't just give answers, it guides learning paths based on performance. In research, agents are being used to crawl massive data sets, suggest hypotheses, and even design experiments. Scientific labs use agents to simulate chemical reactions and recommend next steps for real-world trials. It's like giving every scientist a tireless lab assistant with a PhD in data mining. Agents in smart infrastructure. How are AI agents transforming infrastructure in 2025? Smart cities are using adaptive agents to manage energy, water, and transportation systems in real time. For example, AI agents monitor electricity usage across districts and automatically adjust grid loads to prevent blackouts. They respond to demand spikes, reroute energy, and even predict outages before they occur. In building management, agents regulate heating, lighting, and ventilation based on occupancy and environmental conditions. This isn't just about automation, it's about decision-making. These agents learn from patterns and optimize for energy efficiency while maintaining comfort and safety. Public transit systems now use AI agents to adjust schedules, reroute buses, and communicate real-time updates to passengers. Cities like Singapore and Amsterdam are already deploying these technologies at scale. This is infrastructure that thinks, adapts, and solves problems faster than any human-led control room ever could. Agents in personal productivity. Can AI agents run your life better than a human assistant? In 2025, agents like Personal AI and Rewind AI are becoming real productivity partners. They remember your preferences, summarize meetings, and even rewrite your emails in your tone. A manager can now say, "Book my flight, summarize this doc, and notify my team." And the agent executes all three. These aren't scripts. They're adaptive, learning from each interaction. One user described it this way: "It's like having 5 interns who never forget anything and don't need constant checking." Agents for developers. How are developers using agents to build faster? AI agents are now used to write and test code, spin up environments, and even run debugging loops. They handle setup, version control, and documentation automatically. Take Devon by Cognition Labs. It's an autonomous software engineer agent that can plan features, execute tasks, and even test itself. It integrates GitHub issues, project boards, and build environments, acting like a junior dev on steroids. This isn't theoretical. Startups and enterprises are integrating AI agents into their developer pipelines right now. Agents in robotics and real-world environments. Can AI agents control machines in the real world? Yes, and it's already happening in warehouses, farms, and cities. In Amazon's fulfillment centers, AI agents coordinate fleets of mobile robots. They optimize routes, manage inventory, and recover from issues in real time. In agriculture, companies like Carbon Robotics use AI agents that identify and eliminate weeds autonomously. They use vision, weather data, and GPS to make real-time decisions. And in traffic systems, agents now optimize signals based on real-time congestion, adjusting routes, and reducing wait times citywide. These aren't remote-controlled bots. They're adaptive agents with goals and the autonomy to act. Limitations of AI agents. So what can't they do yet? AI agents still struggle with long-term planning and tasks requiring deep domain judgment. They hallucinate less than chatbots, but still need supervision in critical fields like law or medicine. They can't replace human ethics, creativity, or context-driven leadership. And security risks are real. Agents with access to tools can make big mistakes if not sandboxed properly. Still, progress is accelerating. Every month, agents are handling more tasks, faster, and with less oversight. AI agents in creative workflows. How are AI agents enhancing creativity instead of replacing it? Adaptive agents are now assisting with writing, video editing, and design, not by doing the job for you, but by accelerating the creative process. Writers use agents to outline articles, suggest plot points, or rewrite in different tones. In video production, tools like Runway and Pika Labs let agents cut, caption, and assemble scenes using only text prompts. Designers use AI agents to generate concept art, iterate on logo ideas, or match brand guidelines automatically. These agents aren't just content generators. They're collaborative tools that adapt to your feedback and style. By handling repetitive parts of the process, they free up time for true creative thinking. Ultimate payout. Why this changes everything. So what's the real takeaway? AI agents in 2025 are no longer assistants. They're collaborators. They observe, decide, and act, often without being told how. From education to business to daily life, they're becoming invisible team members that scale your impact. Not just smarter tools, but adaptive digital workers with initiative. And while they're not perfect, they're evolving fast, quietly reshaping everything we do.